Hello and welcome to today's video. Before I tell you where we are, I want to show you where I'm staying. I found this campsite completely by luck. Even though it's 32 degrees, it's lovely and cool. They've planted plane trees everywhere, so the whole campsite is completely shaded. The sun only just breaks through. And it's got everything you need. It's got a restaurant, a cafe, a shop. Got this cafe with the ice cream bar, and look where it's situated. It's right on the edge of a beautiful river, and not only that, it's right by my filming location, which I know is going to be fantastic. So make yourself comfortable. Today we're going to be exploring the beautiful French Riviera city of Avignon. Nestled along the banks of the Rhone River in the heart of Provence, Avignon's known as the city of the Popes. I've never been here before, although as you watch you may feel like everybody knows me. That's because I'm using my big camera today, and when people see me, well, everybody wants to be on TV. We start off at this square called the Palais. It's huge and it is surrounded by amazing architecture. I'll bet he thinks he's the first. It really feels very atmospheric here, especially with the guy playing the trumpet in the background. Or maybe he's the first. The Avignon Papacy was a period where the Pope relocated his residence to Avignon in southeastern France. The move was made in 1309 by Clement V as he sought the protection of the French monarchy from rebellions in Rome. In all, 7 popes maintained the residence in Avignon over a period of nearly 70 years. This spectacular Gothic building is the Palais du Papes, or the Palace of the Popes. It was built in the 14th century. Nowadays, it's probably the most visited place in Avignon, and the main reason why a lot of people come here. Sorry love, but you're not the first either. I spent the whole day walking around this city and it was really varied. I loved the buildings, but also the way the restaurants were set out. It had a really happy sort of vibe. There were loads of statues like this one and this one. I'm really glad that I could bring some happiness to your day. I really had a nice day in this city. There's a lot more to it than I'm able to show you, and that's because, well, things didn't exactly go to plan. I don't edit my videos as soon as I've recorded them. They usually sit there for a while. I may be editing other videos. It takes me around about a week usually to get a video made. So by the time I've actually started editing it, I've usually moved away from the place, which is a shame, because if that wasn't the case I would have re-recorded this, because there was so much here that I would have liked to have shown you. But sadly, when I finally got down to editing not just this video but some of the others I filmed during the same week, I tried to move the footage from my hard drive to my laptop, and I encountered some problems with that, and in the end it took me 2 or 3 days just to get one video moved onto my laptop for editing, and that was a disaster enough. But when I started the process, I found that about 70% of the files that I'd stored on the hard drive had become corrupted, and I wasn't able to use them, which meant I didn't really have enough footage to make a normal length video. And well, that was a bit of a disaster really. It cost me a lot of time, but what can you do? Technology is technology. I've done the best I could with it and the other videos that I filmed during that week.